Welcome to the Hayylo Customer Support App tutorial. In this training video, we will guide you on how to support your customers using the Hayylo app. Our goal is to empower your customers to engage and self-serve. Let's get started. Step 1. How to access the app. Inform your customers about the availability of your app. They can access it by either receiving an SMS invitation with a download link or by searching for your app name in their respective app store. Step 2. SMS invitation. Customers may receive an SMS invitation containing a link to download the app. They can simply click on the link to proceed with the download and installation process. Step 3. Link to the App Store. Alternatively, customers can open their device's App Store on Apple or Google and search for the app name. This will find the official app name listing in the search results, and they can proceed to download and install it. Step 4. Phone and email login explained. Once the app is installed, customers can choose to log in using either their registered phone number or email address. Explain the login options to your customers, highlighting the benefits and ease of use for each method. Step 5. Functional overview. Provide your customers with a brief functional overview of the app. Explain that it is designed to facilitate self-service and better engagement. Highlight the key features and functionalities that they can access to interact with your organization. Step 6. Activity feed. Show your customers how to navigate to the activity feed within the app. This feed provides real-time updates and notifications regarding their actions, upcoming events, and other relevant information. Step 7. Request Something menu. Guide your customers on accessing the Request Something menu. This feature allows them to submit new requests or service inquiries directly through the app. Step 8. Schedule view and changes. Show your customers how to view their scheduled appointments or events using the schedule view. Explain that they can also make changes if needed. Step 9. Invite people. Demonstrate how your customers can also invite additional individuals to join their network or access the app. This feature enables collaboration and communication with family members, caregivers, and other relevant parties. Congratulations, you have now learnt the essential steps to support your customers using the app. Remember to inform them about the app, provide SMS invitations or App Store links, explain the login options, give them a quick functional overview, and showcase a few of the features. Thank you for watching, and happy customer support with your new app.